Ever wish you could unplug, breathe, and just feel alive again? This September, the magic of human awareness. Fair is calling your name at Fireman's Park in Niagara Falls. It's more than a fair. It's a full-day celebration of wellness, connection, and community. Think booths with wellness experts, mindfulness and movement sessions, and a chance to meet kindred spirits. Bring your family, or come solo. There's space to explore, learn, or just be present. It's free, easy to get to, and held in the heart of nature. So mark Saturday, September 13th, 2025 in your calendar and come refresh your mind, body, and heart. Curious? Check the link below for details.